Welcome to day 4. And thank you so much for your support. Thank you for being amazing. Thank you for being here for you, for me, and for our community. Today, we're going to go into day 4, talking about limited beliefs. Limited beliefs is those little lies that we tell ourselves. Like, I'm not enough. Like, I'm not good enough. I can't do this. That's not me. No, I don't succeed. And those stops us from our full potential. I had to stop myself from those limited beliefs about money, about success, about my accent, my age, all of it. Something negative always comes up about ourselves. But once I identified these thoughts, I replaced them with like empowering truth. No, money, I'm okay. Success, I'm very successful. My age, I still feel good for my age. And my accent, people don't say I have an accent. They notice my New York accent before they notice my Puerto Rican accent. It's weird, but that's what it is. And it's okay. So today, please, I would love it if you could take one moment, a quiet moment, and ask yourself, what's one negative belief I keep repeating? Where did it come from? Is it even true? What new belief do I want to replace that with? For example, I'm too old to start anything, to start all over again. Wrong. Replace it with, I am exactly the right age to succeed and inspire others with my experiences. So your action step for today, write down at least one limited belief that you have and replace it with an empowering belief right next to it. And repeat it. Just one at a time. Do that for as long as you can. You're replacing that limited belief with an empowering one. And watch you make a difference to you. And always remember, you're not your past. You are not your fear. You are powerful beyond words. And keep eliminating what holds you back. And watch your life expand. I'm so proud of you for being here. Thank you very much again for your support. Thank you very much for being here and helping me grow. And keep rising and thriving. We're doing this together. Don't miss day 5.